And although it was a bit rainy, as you saw in Braden's story, families were downtown for events like the farmers market and which was on the square, Cows on the Concourse, and the 15th annual Classic Car Show. For roughly 6 blocks, vintage cars lined State Street for all to see, drawing several admirers, and I'm sure there was quite some nostalgia for many.
My car is a 1963 Triumph TR4, and in this collection here we have a TR3, a TR6 as well today.
And not only were people able to check out the cars, they were able to chat with the owners of the vehicles and learn a bit of history about each car.